There we go.
Are you getting your face painted, Eden?
Something first. Breathing.
Face
Okay.
painting. Okay, is this what you're gonna look like? Okay, let's see what kind of a job they do.
From here.
Okay, be careful.
Yep. Yeah, like that. Down to his lips. Now, right down here. And right down here. Yeah, like that. Down here. That's how he's going to look. A little bit.
Good job, Caitlin. Okay, Kenzie, out of the way so I can see.
All the way to here. All the way to there. All the way to there. Up here. Yeah. He's going to look weird, actually.
Good job.
Oh, Aiden! Okay, I'll do this part because I started it like this. Oh. Aiden!
Almost, Eden.
Aiden!